for you? Why am I not making money in the Web3 market right now? With cryptos, NFTs, I'm losing everything.
You're late.
What?
The secret is being early and you were late.
How? My friend got in yesterday. He made $10K on $500.
Yesterday wasn't late. Yesterday was early, today's late. There's no punctual, it's early and late.
Is that everything?
Lucky.
But I'm never lucky.
Then be really early.
Why?
Because all majorly significant gains of a project are made within the first 6 months.
Okay, I'll be early.
1 month later.
Aight, you were wrong this time.
When am I ever wrong?
I held an NFT from $50 all the way to $2,000. Awesome. Not awesome. I was waiting for $10,000 and they rug pulled me. Now my NFT's worthless.
Why?
Excuse me?
Why $10,000?
I don't know, $10,000 because diamond hands, hodl, all that stuff. 10K is a good number.
Alright, well, lesson 3.
Lesson 3.
Be smart.
I am smart.
Then what was your plan?
Plan? I didn't have a plan. Exactly. Why didn't you tell me this last time? Opportunity. I'm really starting to hate you, man.
2 months later.
I'm going after him this time, bro. Holy crap. Where is he? Where is he?
Where is he? You in here? Huh? You in here, big boy? Huh? Okay, now you were definitely wrong.
How?
I spent $500 per NFT project. My plan was to double the money and then be done. Just a 2x, that's it. After doing that and spending $8,000, I didn't make any money.
Well, 1, that wasn't smart, and 2, you forgot lesson 4.
Lesson 4? Don't you mean lesson 3? You never taught me lesson 4.
I taught you number 4. Opportunity.
That was lesson 4?
Yeah. You need the right opportunity, not just any opportunity. The right one.
I swear, I can't deal with this. I'm done. Web3, I'm done.
Wait, you're about to quit? You're early.
Oh my god, since when am I early? I thought I was late.
You were late to the last bear market. Anyone could make money in that bear market. You're early to the next bear market.
Okay, I think I finally understand now. Anything else?
Yeah, a bull market.
A bull market?
Anyone can sell in a bull market. Anyone. My dog could have made $5,000 in the last bull market.
Hate you.
I know.